Kīlauea eruption update video, Sunday, June 11th. The eruption of the Kīlauea volcano continues at the top of the caldera. The lava fountains have decreased in height since the start of the eruption, but judging by the USGS webcam view at night, there is still plenty to see. The views captured by the webcam have wandered from one interesting lava formation to another. Several small fountains remain active in the central and eastern parts of the crater floor. One vent opens up above, on the west wall of the caldera. Active lava covered most of the crater floor. The Hawaiian Volcano Observatory said the earliest phase of this eruption appeared to have had a much higher effusion rate than Kīlauea's previous 3 summit eruptions. An average effusion rate of about 150 cubic meters per second was estimated during the initial 24 hours of the event. On Thursday night, the lava lake appeared to be a bit stagnant when viewed in real time. But when the webcam video is sped up, the lava circulation pattern becomes clear. As far as the rising lava lake, scientists say that after an initial rise of about 6 meters, 20 feet of depth, the lava added to the crater floor. The rate of decline over the past few days by 2 meters, 6 feet, is likely due to loss of gas. Geologists say this drop left a kind of cold lava bath ring along the cliffs at the edge of the crater floor. During Wednesday's helicopter flight, the observatory was able to capture the aerial imagery needed to compile this thermal map. Here's what it looked like about 2 hours after the eruption. The red color in the lava lake indicates warmer temperatures. On Thursday, the observatory lowered the alert level for Kīlauea from warning to watch after the initial high effusion rate decreased and no infrastructure was compromised. The aviation color code was dropped from red to orange as there is currently no significant threat of emission of volcanic ash to the atmosphere outside of a hazardous enclosed area. However, volcanic gas emissions remain high. About 65,000 tons of sulfur dioxide per day was measured on the 7th of June. The observatory said Kīlauea's summit eruption is expected to remain confined to a summit crater within Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, and there continues to be no indication of migratory activity elsewhere on the volcano. Volcanic. The eruption began at 4:44 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time and remained largely confined to Halemaumau crater, which has been closed to the public since 2007 and is within Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Around 3 p.m., the initial lava flow was between 13 and 30 feet high and covered the crater floor, covering an area of about 370 acres, the U.S. Geological Survey said. A code red warning has been issued in the area. Significant amounts of volcanic gases, mainly water vapor, H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2, and sulfur dioxide, SO2, continue to be released during the Kīlauea volcano eruption, the USGS said in a statement. Volcanic smoke, the fog that appears when volcanic gases mix with the atmosphere, was observed downwind and has the potential to cause health hazards to humans and livestock as well as damage to crops. Other hazards include wall instability, soil cracks, rockfalls, and Pele hair, a term used to describe glass fibers formed from gas bubbles that stretch into long, thin strands and are often airborne.